He has a specialization now. Remember, it was electrical engineering as the main major. And so he's going through the different aspects of that electrical engineering into specialization. So in the realm of engineering, I have developed a special interest in the field of laser technology and have even been taking a graduate course in quantum electronics. Among the 25 or so students in the course, I am the sole undergraduate. Another particular interest of mine is electromagnetics. And last summer, when I was a technical assistant at a world famous local lab, I learned about as many practical applications, especially in relation to microstrip and antenna design. Now, this is further engagement and involvement into the major, but I thought it was important to label it focused on specialization. I do want to make a note, in the same way that he was able to take a course at a local college that was not offered as his high school, he's following that same pattern and taking a course and a graduate course in quantum electronics that is usually only available to graduate students. So that means he's testing very well in his regular engineering courses to the point that he was able to apply for some sort of exception as the sole undergraduate student among 25 or so graduate students, which is remarkable, and that is impressive. That would fit the uniqueness, the specialness, the impressiveness aspect of involving himself in the major and involving himself through coursework, etc. He's also given you an interest in electromagnetics. He served as a technical assistant at a lab, and he was learning about practical applications, especially in relation to microstrip and antenna design. So he's giving you specifics from electrical engineering, well, actually from science, then a calculus course, then he's giving you the field of laser technology, quantum electronics, electromagnetics, microstrip, and antenna design. And he's working at a lab. So that means he's engaging the major through field work. And this is all important. This is the type of stuff that admissions officers want to see, that continued engagement.